In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the various export options in CodeKit. So you've created a cool project in CodeKit, and now you're ready to export your project file to share it with others, or you'd just like to be able to edit the generated code in another application. Well, to export your CodeKit project file, find and click the Export button in the top toolbar, which is going to open a new window with our different export options. Firstly, we have the CodeKit file, which is going to export a file with all of your blocks and everything you've done in CodeKit. And this file can be reopened in CodeKit either on the same computer to pick up where you've left off, or you can share that with someone else and they can open your project on their computer. Next, we have the Arduino project, which is going to export all of the generated code from your blocks as a file that can be opened in the Arduino IDE. An important thing to remember about this file is that it can't be reopened into CodeKit. So if you want to save your blocks, pick the CodeKit file instead. And finally, we have the workspace snapshot option, which allows you to save all of the blocks in your workspace, even the ones that might be out of view at the moment, as an image. And this is a great way to visually share your blocks. Like with the Arduino project, this doesn't export the blocks in a way that can be re-imported again. So if you'd like to save your blocks for later, remember to pick the CodeKit file format.